On November 15th, things took a major turn for me and the channel. I announced I was giving away my prized possession, a 650 horsepower BMW 335i to one lucky person, and that I would start looking for a replacement, a modern BMW. The news came as a massive shock to my audience since I've put so much work into the car, but it was time to move on. I wasted no time and immediately began visiting dealers to find my next ideal car. I first started off with an F80 M3. The car made a ton of sense, very popular, loads of aftermarket support, and a huge following. It would also transition very well with all the 3 Series BMWs I own. For business purposes, it seemed absolutely perfect, but was it what I wanted? I don't know, I was pretty unsure. Then I went to check out a couple of F10 M5s. This was the ultimate gentleman's car, supercar with a tuxedo on, powerful twin turbocharged V8, plenty of room for the family, and a design that aged beautifully. The smiles that this car brought to my face said it all. I loved the car. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. And I'm getting a massage while I'm freaking speeding. But I felt like it wasn't the best decision business and investment wise. After weeks, I finally made a decision and decided to fly out to Georgia to go look at a very special car. The plan was that if I loved it, I'll drive it back to Orlando and start a new chapter. Real quick guys, as a reminder, only 3 days left to enter for a chance to win my fully modified 650 horsepower BMW 335i. For every $5 you spend on vehiclevirals.com, you'll automatically get 5 entries towards a chance to win this beauty. It'd be the perfect package to take into 2021. All the maintenance, performance, and exterior have all been fully taken care of. Don't miss out, vehiclevirals.com, or just use the link down in the description below. Alright, so me and Ali just landed here in Atlanta, Georgia. We're here to pick up the car. The next car, the replacement car for the 335i, the modern BMW. Freaking excited, but very, very nervous. I haven't seen the car in person, so obviously I want to make sure I inspect the car, make sure it's good to go. And if I get it, I mean, like, I haven't been able to sleep with so much anxiety and so much like excitement within me. Should be really fun. I'll see you guys at the dealer. So we just got here to Momentum Auto 1. You see this? Nervous. Excited, anxious, scared, like every single feeling all at the same time. I don't even know how to describe it. I'm like super excited. Last time I felt like this was when I bought the E93 years ago, and I'm feeling that feeling again. I hope the car really checks out, you know, exterior wise, engine wise. I hope it's everything that I saw online. Fingers crossed. I didn't want to come to Georgia for nothing. Hopefully I'll be taking the car today and driving back to Orlando, so put 600 miles on the first day. Fingers crossed. Let's go. There was a very specific reason I chose to come to this dealer. They had 28 modern BMWs, meaning that if I decided not to go with the one I came for, I'd have other choices and I wouldn't leave empty-handed. They pretty much had it all. F30s, F80s, F82s, F87s, F90s, and even the new G-Series BMWs. And they were all in superb condition and tastefully optioned out. After talking to the guys there for a little bit, it was time to see the car that I flew out here for. At this very moment, the suspense that I was experiencing was completely through the roof.
Yes?
Alright, so he pretty much gave me the keys and told me to do whatever for now. I want to walk around and see these cars up close before we go there. I know, a lot of suspense and a lot of you guys are going to fast forward, but if you love me, you wouldn't fast forward. Give me the watch time. I need it, especially for this car. Yeah, so this is one of the options. Am I getting the F80 M3?
No.
Okay. This is the big boy here, F90 M5. Like if you guys use what's that app called, Draggy? You go to the leaderboards, they're literally running the top 10s, like as far as like speed records and stuff like that. All-wheel drive, S63, puts a bunch of power down. You said if you upgrade the turbos on it, what are you talking about? 900, 800 horsepower?
850 probably.
850.
I'm not sure about the interior though.
You literally you have to wear like a cotton suit, and that's how you can drive it.
A hazmat suit for M5 edition.
Yeah, yeah. The car that I came here for is sitting
right there.
It's not an Audi. It's on the side of the building. That's where the car is at. It's literally right over there. Y'all ready for this? Are y'all ready? Quick, cause I'm not. Oh my god. Oh. Let me not get too excited yet. Oh my god. Show him, bro.
Hello.
Oh my god. I'm sure a lot of you guys already guessed it. F10 M5. And just look at the paint color though. frozen black, which is almost a blessing and a curse at the same time because it looks excellent, it stands out, but maintenance, I've been doing a little bit of reading on it. It's not the best, but let's not worry about that right now. Let me enjoy this moment. This has the competition package because it's the only way to do it, especially if you're gonna have a heavy car, you want it to be somewhat sporty competition. 20-inch wheels, lowered ride height. Of course, I had to go for the LCI so the taillights change a little bit. You got an emblem in the front. Steering wheel is upgraded as well. This is a 2015 model, and oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Yo, Ali, tell me, come on, bro. This shit's nice. This shit nice.
Yes.
So I don't know if you guys can see it on camera. You see these little light scratches right here? Light scratch here, light scratch here. You can't really fix it like a traditional paint where you can just polish it and you can remove those scratches. With a matte paint, the reason it's matte is the clear coat's different. It's an uneven surface which absorbs the light and it gives it the matte look. If you were to polish these scratches, you're gonna get a shiny spot and you can't fix it. The only way to fix it would be to respray the whole car. And then good luck trying to match the paint color with the whole car. Essentially, you would have to paint the entire car. Wow. Wow. Let's take a look inside. Oh, by the way, I didn't tell you guys, I actually bought a second car. F80 M3 with frozen black paint as well.
It's got white interior.
Yeah, that was the giveaway.
Gross.
I wouldn't buy a car with white interior. How you like that comfort access though?
Ooh.
Ooh, ooh, ooh. Yo, this is crazy. This is crazy.
It's got double mats.
Oh, yeah, buy one, get one free.
How'd they do for me?
Yeah, check it out.
In performance.
This is good, guys. So you got the, oh, it does have the Alcantara steering wheel. That's right. So it came with the M Performance steering wheel, which is probably gonna need a little bit of work though. It's faded. Carbon fiber trim piece here for the middle, which is an option. Bang & Olufsen. But by the way, I didn't know if it was Harman Kardon or Bang & Olufsen that was better. Bang & Olufsen is the $5,000 package. Yes.
Yes.
I need good music.
Yes.
The overall quality of the interior, as far as like the condition, it looks like freaking brand new.
Dude, it looks mint.
It looks mint. Brand, ain't no headrested on there. The guy must have been short. Look at this. Ventilated seats, massaging functions, which are right here. And we have pretty much every single option. We have lane keep assist, auto start, stop. This car is pretty much fully loaded, other than it doesn't have the carbon ceramic brakes, and it doesn't have, what's the other thing? The night vision stuff.
You don't want the carbon ceramics.
Yeah, because whenever you need to replace those, what's that, like a $12,000?
Yeah, it costs a lot more. You don't need that shit.
Yeah, so this doesn't have the carbon ceramic brakes, it doesn't have the night vision, and it doesn't have the monitors, the rear entertainment for the kids or whatever. That's okay, because those get outdated really, really fast, especially how fast technology is going.
Dude, start the damn car already.
I'm too excited, man. I'm dying.
Start the car.
Can we look at the car first before I get too excited and we don't take it home?
Start the
Please,
car.
Let me open the hood at least. Let's just take a peek
Okay.
real quick.
Looks like an engine.
Looks like an S63, all right. This guy's gonna go ahead and do his thing and see if you can find anything that's wrong.
If you end up buying this car, we're gonna do a DIY on coolant lines.
Coolant lines?
That's a must for every S63.
We're gonna upgrade a ton of this stuff, man. These intake boxes, the cooling cores, everything's gonna be rehauled. I want to make sure, since this engine runs super high, I want to focus on cooling first.
As well as the catch can.
The catch cans,
because they do eat a lot of oil.
I've heard that, but I've heard some burn more than others. So hopefully I didn't get the bad batch.
Yeah. Well, other than that, you can't really see anything in the engine bay.
Time to start this car up. So far, the car is good. I might be driving this car home, guys. Woo! By the way, momentum1.com. Guys are super nice here, very knowledgeable. There's a BMW guru in there, man. That's owned every single BMW, stanced it out, added some power. Like, these guys know everything about BMW, so feel confident coming here. Can you tell how excited I am? Woo!
Not yet.
That's that competition exhaust muffler. Yo, this looks clean. This looks clean. Woo! I don't even want to drive it for 6 hours just because I was scared.
It looks crazy on video. It looks really black.
You know, I had to go with the BMW adaptive LEDs. You guys know what the sticker price for this car is when the original buyer bought this car? Typically, you'll see them for 115, 105, 106. This one has a sticker price of like $130,000. It legit has every option. I think the frozen paint alone was a $5,000 option. The Bang & Olufsen, another $5,000 option. the lane keep assist and all that executive package, $4,000 option. There's a few things that I already know I would do though. Black out the sides, black out the backs back there. I can't even tell. No, the front definitely needs to be lowered a little bit to match the back. These are massive calipers, bro.
6 piston.
6 piston calipers. I don't think anybody's ever sat back here. Privacy mode.
No farts in there.
Oh yeah.
You like?
It still got a new car smell.
Do you like?
Absolutely.
The tint is pretty dark.
Yeah, so I don't have to worry about tint. Tint's already taken care of. Here we go. That's what we do, baby. Yo, check out this Alcantara top though.
Ooh. Alcantara.
Look at this. Oh yes. Oh, we need some LEDs here. This is clean. Man, this is brand new back here. It smells like, it literally smells like a new car. Like this is the view from the back, guys. This is the view. This is literally a brand new car. So here's, we're about to go for a test drive here pretty soon. Forgot to tell you guys, it has a full leather package. So it's all down here, it's up here, it's on the sides. Obviously the Bang & Olufsen system. This rises up as you start the car. Actually, let me show you. Oh, yes. I wonder how much that costs to replace the rear brakes. Look at that. Yeah, you see that? Like I said, pretty much every single option other than the monitors, the night vision, and the ceramic brakes. It's fully optioned out. You have this textured aluminum trim that looks really good. Definitely didn't want to get the wood one. Alcantara, you know I'm gonna hit up Ozza Auto Wheel to get one of these. Obviously this one's a little bit faded. I'm gonna see if I can bring it back to life, but I doubt it.
Just kidding, guys. We're buying this car instead.
I gotta say that whoever had this car before me really took care of it. Like, immaculate. It had 2 owners actually before. Can you imagine from an E93 to this? It's unbelievable. Yo, can you imagine I'm gonna be driving this every single week? I can't believe it. I gotta thank you guys. I mean, without you guys, I wouldn't be at the stage where I can drive this monster of a car. Like, I would have never imagined this. I started YouTube, what, 3 years ago. I didn't think it would take me this far. It's absolutely amazing. Thank you guys. Yeah, I'm not saying anything because I don't even know what to say. That's how excited I am. It's like the most awkward drive with the camera on.
Woohoo!
Yeah, all that torque. That's why I love this car. It does it all, man. It's a family's car. It's an executive's car. It's a very fast car, an Autobahn car. The DCT is so good, shifts so fast. That's all speaker noise we're hearing. That's not the real exhaust sound. If I can make it. Sorry. Oh yeah.
That. Oh god.
Too much torque. I'm feathering the throttle and it just jumps forward. Guys, this is absolutely insane. I'm in this F10 M5 and it just feels like a dream. Like, God. Everything checks off too. The exterior is pretty good. The interior is like almost brand new. The car rides so smooth. I think I'm taking it home. It's happening. It's just so unreal. Thank you guys. Thank you for all the support, all the videos that you guys all the way through, the likes, the subscriptions, the comments, the interactions, the Instagram DMs, everything, man. Thank you guys. You guys all made it possible. This is happening. This is really happening. Typically you'll get these you know, high traffic areas that get pretty scratched up and stuff. They're in very good condition. Like, this car was very well maintained. The sides, the door panels, like, this is pretty much brand new. Everything here just looks freaking crazy. Look at this. It's like nobody's ever sat there. Oh look, we even get a quarter for free. We got a tip. Got a quarter. Like, it looks absolutely immaculate. I can so get used to this. Oh my god, I'm beyond excited. Alcantara definitely needs a little bit of work here. Obviously these wear out, especially if you really drive the car, but I can get this refinished, or I can just have Ozza Auto Wheel to make me another one, make it look really aggressive. But I like it. Maybe do the upgrades to the paddle shifts as well. So excited. Me and Ali stopped at the gas station real quick to just kind of walk around and talk about the car and evaluate it. There's a few light scratches towards the bumper side, the left side, the front side, and those you can't fix, not on a matte finish, because if you try to buff it out, it's going to polish that side and it's going to be a permanent polish. That's the problem with this car. So essentially you would have to do some kind of a ceramic coat that doesn't change I guess the overall look of the car, or some kind of a clear bra, which I'm looking into. So I guess that's my only decision right now. Do I get it with those small imperfections? I mean, I can't be too picky. The car sold for a lot more 5 years ago and I'm getting a really good deal. But I'm very picky with a lot of stuff, and we can't buff those scratches out at all. So I guess that's my decision. Do I get it or do I not get it? Should those scratches be the make or break? And I think I'm leaning towards getting the car. We'll drive back, think about it some more, and then make a decision. All right, so before we go back to the dealer, I'm gonna make sure I give this car at least one pull before I bring it back and sign all the paperwork, assuming I get it. Oh my God. Wow, that's a lot of torque. And you know what's crazy? That's stock. So with a tune, bolt-ons and stuff like that, I can only imagine how crazy this car's gonna be. Oh my God, that was good. That felt great. It sounded, well, I don't know if it sounded good because you know that audio, but man, I like it. I like it. It's official. I'm getting the car, boys.
Yes.
It's official. It's official.
Oh.
It's done. Yo, it's official. You see these two tags? Two car keys?
Yes.
It's official.
So what's up?
It's happening. Look, come see.
She's official.
It's official. You got a temp tag on there. We're about to drive at 600 miles.
All right, brother.
Brother, I got
Hey,
Jeremy's name, but I never got your
I'm
name.
Josh.
Josh.
Josh BMW ATL.
So Josh or Jeremy, if you guys ever come down to Momentum,
Absolutely. Come
this
see
is
me.
it.
We'll
They'll
take
care
good
of you
care of you.
guys.
Absolutely.
Appreciate
Hey,
it,
thanks a
brother.
lot, guys.
Thanks,
Y'all have
man.
a safe trip. Have
You
some
too.
fun.
Thank
Keep
you.
it over 100.
See ya.
So,
I just want to hold on. Stay right here.
hey, new car. Who this?
New car, who this? There's one thing I've been wanting to do. Woo!
And that's it.
You guys already know there's gonna be a whole lot of F10 M5 content. It's gonna happen. You guys gotta subscribe, notification bell on. Super excited. We're actually on our way to pick up another car. Surprise.
Oh, it is a white guy.